Once upon a time, there was a customer named Mark from Customer Inc. They needed to implement a global ERP system with state-of-the-art document handling. Customer Inc.'s ERP partner pointed in the direction of Tabellae. The sooner the experts start to work on your project, the better the chances are for launch on time and on budget. At Tabellae, they already had plenty of customers that looked a lot like Customer Inc. So they offered Customer Inc. a Tabellae Best Practice Toolkit, which included a standard solution combined with extensive experience from existing customers. After Customer Inc. immediately accepted the offer, Tabellae kicked off the project with a at-scope day, where the two parties agreed on the scope of the project. The day resulted in a report with all the important milestones and project phases defined by Tabellae's project model and data dictionary. Next, the solution architect tied the solution together with extensive experience. The designer created a great draft design. The Lasernet Consultant developed a project and ensured a safe go-live. The project manager took unforeseen obstacles into account. The QA tester ensured that the solution was compliant with the customer's high-quality demands. The trainer enabled the employees at Customer Inc. to maintain and expand the output management solution themselves. The technical architect ensured optimal use of the customer's infrastructure. The Job Distributor and the support consultant solved issues quickly and ensured a stable solution. Customer Inc. even got some valuable tweaks from Tabellae that they could use in their business. Together, they ensured that Customer Inc. had many happy shining days with their new solution. They celebrated it with a big cake of success with a lot of lights and a Tabellae logo.